Have you ever wondered about the invisible threads that connect your world? Have you ever taken a moment to think about the unseen, intangible links that bind together each element of your existence, from the most mundane to the most extraordinary? The very fabric of our lives is being woven together by this ghostly network, a hidden symphony of connections flowing like an invisible river through the landscape of our existence. These connections are not mere abstract concepts, but tangible realities that impact every part of our lives. Imagine a world where everyday objects, from the most simple to the most complex, subtly and dramatically reshape your life. Envision how these objects, these devices, become not just inert tools, but active participants in our lives. Imagine a toaster that knows precisely when your bread is perfectly toasted, a fridge that alerts you when you're running low on your favorite foods, traffic lights that adapt to the flow of cars to reduce congestion. Such a world is not merely the stuff of science fiction, it is our reality today. This is the world of the Internet of Things, IoT, a revolutionary concept that is transforming our world. In this world, our devices, from fridges to traffic lights, are becoming smarter, more efficient, and surprisingly communicative. They're no longer silent observers. They are proactive, dynamic, and responsive. Welcome to this world. A world where all our devices, from fridges to traffic lights, are becoming smarter, more efficient, and surprisingly communicative. Dive into the realm of smart homes, a fascinating world where everyday objects wield an uncanny ability to understand and cater to our needs, like a dedicated personal aide. Consider the fascinating case of Jane, a busy professional from the beautiful city of Sydney. Jane lives in a house that seems to possess an almost sentient knowledge of her, understanding her habits and preferences in a way that even she sometimes cannot. It is a house that has been imbued with the power of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, IoT, transforming it from a mere structure of bricks and mortar into a living, breathing entity. Take, for instance, her smart thermostat, a device once mundane, now given the power to monitor and adjust the room temperature, ensuring optimal comfort based on Jane's preferences. It understands that she prefers a slightly warmer room in the mornings, a cooler one at night, adjusts accordingly, providing her with a living environment that is tailor-made for her comfort. Her refrigerator, a staple in any household, has now become her personal dietary advisor. It keeps track of the groceries she consumes and helpfully alerts her when she's running low on essentials like milk. No more early morning hustles for breakfast. Then there's her smart lock, a silent sentinel that ensures security of her house even when she is miles away. It's programmed to automatically lock the door if she forgets to do so, providing her with peace that is simply priceless. This is how Jane's life has been transformed, not with grand dramatic gestures, but with subtle, everyday efficiencies brought about by IoT. Leaping from individual homes to sprawling urban landscapes, the Internet of Things, IoT revolution, is equally transformative. This radical transformation is not only changing personal spaces, but also public domains, particularly urban centers. One such example is New York City, which has actively integrated IoT solutions to tackle its long-standing traffic congestion problem. In the city that never sleeps, traffic lights no longer operate on preset schedules. Instead, they carry the intelligence to communicate with each other, forming a network that constantly evaluates and adjusts its timings based on real-time traffic flow. This dynamic adjustment of traffic signals optimizes traffic flow, dramatically reducing congestion and improving commute times for millions of New Yorkers daily. But the city's IoT revolution isn't confined to just traffic control. It has also breathed new life into its waste management system. Formerly a manual and time-consuming process, waste management in NYC is now largely automated. Sensors installed on waste containers provide real-time updates on their fill levels. This information is used to determine when they're full and need to be emptied, eliminating the guesswork and inefficiency from the process. The switch to a sensor-based waste management system has opened the door to more efficient waste collection. It now allows for the planning of optimized collection paths, reducing unnecessary mileage and saving significant time, energy, and resources. This has led to efficient waste collection routes, saving time, energy, and resources. Industries, too, are not untouched by the IoT revolution. In fact, its influence is palpable across many sectors, from healthcare to consumer electronics and transportation to agriculture. But one of the most profound examples of IoT's impact be seen in the manufacturing industry. Specifically, consider the case of an innovative manufacturing company nestled in the heart of Germany. This enterprise, a stalwart in its field, dared to reimagine its operations by IoT devices directly into its complex assembly line. These smart, interconnected devices have enabled the company to achieve unprecedented levels of productivity. They have transformed the entire assembly line into a seamless, self-monitoring, self-correcting system. The smart sensors installed at various stages monitor machine performance continuously, analyzing patterns and trends. They track every minute change, every minor deviation in functioning of machinery, and predict maintenance needs well in advance. They also record and analyze performance data to identify potential faults before they become critical. Complementing this, the IoT system also takes preventive measures. It's set up to automatically order replacement parts for repairs, ensuring minimal manual intervention. This integration has led to a significant reduction in unplanned downtime, thereby increasing the overall efficiency of operations and setting a benchmark for the industry at large. Reducing downtime and increasing overall efficiency, the IoT revolution is truly transforming industries. So what does all this mean? It means we're living in a world where our devices are no longer just simple implements that we use specific tasks. They are now so much more. They've become an integral and indispensable part of our daily existence, making our lives streamlined and adding a layer of convenience that was unfathomable just a decade ago. From the moment we wake up to the moment we lay down to sleep, these devices play a pivotal role. They are our alarm clocks, our communication tools, our personal assistants, and our entertainment hubs. They're no longer inert objects. They're dynamic partners, bridging the gap between our physical world, the digital realm. What's fascinating is how these devices are capable of learning from us. They analyze our behavior, understand our preferences, and gradually adapt their functionality to suit our needs better. This ability to learn and evolve not only makes them more efficient, but also personalizes our interaction with them. Moreover, these devices tirelessly, 24/7, always on standby to assist us. They are continuously improving our lives by automating tasks, providing real-time information, and connecting us with the world. This transformation is all part of the Internet of Things, IoT revolution. But it's important to note that this revolution isn't just about smart devices, it's about creating a smarter world. A world where technology is seamlessly integrated into every aspect of our lives. It's about a world where efficiency and innovation are not an afterthought, but are woven into the fabric of our everyday existence. The IoT revolution isn't just about smart devices, it's about a smarter world, one where efficiency and innovation are woven into the fabric of our everyday lives. To summarize, the IoT revolution has seeped into every corner of our existence. This widespread digitization has not left any stone unturned, introducing innovation in every sector of human life. The dream of a smart home, which once seemed like a distant reality, is now a tangible reality. From smart refrigerators that can suggest recipes based on what's inside, to intelligent thermostats that can adjust the temperature depending on your daily routine, our homes have evolved to become more intuitive and synchronized with lifestyles. The same can be seen on a larger scale in our cities. Ubiquitous connectivity has made our urban landscapes more efficient and sustainable. Traffic signals that can adapt to real-time traffic conditions to prevent congestion, waste management systems that alert when they're full, and smart grids that optimize energy distribution are just a few examples of how IoT is driving the industrial sphere. The proliferation of smart devices has led to a significant increase in productivity and efficiency. The ability to monitor machinery in real time, predict equipment failures, and streamline supply chains has enabled industries to optimize operations, reduce waste, and manage resources more effectively. Furthermore, the interconnected world that IoT has sculpted is not just enhancing the way we live, but it's also reshaping our perception of daily life. What once seemed mundane is now extraordinary, as everyday objects become smart devices capable of interacting, learning, and adapting. This transformation is continuous as we continue to explore new possibilities, unveiling a future where everything is connected, intelligent, and efficient. One thing is certain, the Internet of Things is not just a revolution, it's a revelation. It's revealing a world that's as interconnected as it is awesome. So next time you interact with a seemingly ordinary device, remember, you're not just pressing a button, you're part of a revolution.